Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'd like to discuss a really fascinating and cool Web 2.0 tool that you can use in your classroom to create an enriched learning experience. And better yet, you can actually put it in the hands of your students and let them mold and change their own learning experience. To get started, it's actually called Capzles, and their motto is time captured. What they mean by this is Capzles is a digital storybook or log. And basically what it allows you to do is you can upload video, audio, photographic, and text all in one streamlined presentation. So I've uploaded an example that I've created to showcase some of the features. So in this case I have a set of photographs that I uploaded. Better yet, I have higher order thinking questions assigned to this set of photographs. That way the students would have to consider a little bit more detail about these photographs that they can access. I've also uploaded text. And in this case you can see that I can communicate to the students, I can create a blog, and better yet they can rank everything, they can prove that they're accessing this, they can share it with others, they can mark it as their favorite. You can really do a lot with this tool. I've also uploaded video. So this just helps kind of streamline the presentation and give the students a little bit more visual stimulus. But once again, I've added commentary that they should access as well. But this is just how the teacher would use Capzles. I'd like to really focus on how it can be put in the hands of the student, because that's where Capzles really shines. And one way to do that is through project-based learning. Project-based learning is becoming very popular in the education world because it allows students to be creative, improve, and showcase their abilities. And so Capzles is basically one great way that they can capture this. So basically what I've created is an example. Say a science teacher gives their students a project that they need to study cicadas in the local ecosystem. Well, what better way to monitor and present the project than to create a Capzles? You can actually have them create like their initial photographic evidence where they can upload all sorts of files. They can upload any photographs that they take. In this case, I've added an audio recording. Say the students record cicadas in the wild. You can put it right in your presentation, and it's not like Microsoft PowerPoint where you have to queue up each slide and click and do that. This is all very streamlined. And even better yet, why not have the students upload their group meetings when they're working together, have them record it or have them take an audio log and then upload it directly. That way you can see that they're progressing through their project. They can create almost like a little journal entry. You can monitor it, but they can also express themselves. And that's what's great about Capzles is the editing feature. Students can do all sorts of really amazing things. Like I said, you can add content, but it's very, very user friendly. You can upload sets of photos. You can put a stack is what it's called. You can upload single files. You can blog directly on. But you can also do really amazing things to kind of polish off your project. So like in this case, I've added background music. I've queued up 3 MP3 files that I can have play in the background. So once again, it allows the student customization and creativity. You can also design your Capzles. So this is really quick and amazing. You can change your backgrounds, create all sorts of really cool features that allows the students once again to express themselves, but kind of polish their project while providing all of the key ingredients for a successful project-based learning experience. But also, why not just use it in your everyday classroom, not just for project-based learning? Maybe have the class create the capsule themselves and have everyone put input on, upload photographs of themselves doing different things in the community. You could use it for any subject or in any way imaginable. It is actually a great tool for this, and it allows for a classroom environment in this sense that the students can put input in and they can contribute to as well. So Capzles is amazing, and one of the best things that you can do with it is, if you're worried about security, you can choose whether it's public or private. You can invite just your students to see it, and basically, why not create it and share it with parents? Allow parents to see how their students are progressing through the year. Maybe just provide evidence that you're doing different projects throughout the year. In this sense, Capzles really has no limits. And the best thing too is that you can actually timestamp each entry, because it is like a digital field log. So for projects or semesters, it documents all of that. So in this sense, Capzles is a wonderful, wonderful tool, and I hope this has helped get you interested in possibly using this tool in your classroom, because it really, really can create a rich learning environment. So I think that's all, folks, and I hope you enjoyed this quick presentation on Capzles.